2017 FX 450 from Husqvarna represents the highest level of off-the-shelf performance found in a modern machine. The FX 450 is also the perfect platform to modify in order to meet your specific riding style, ability, and setup preferences. A 450cc 4-stroke engine delivers power to the ground, while the inverted fork, the 2017 Husqvarna FX 450 offers the biggest displacement in the FX line with the 450cc SOHC engine. The engine's power characteristics are much different than the FC 450 motocrosser. Switching to the aggressive map really woke the FX 450 up. The power delivery was much better and was especially noticeable on the motocross track, and the 2017 FX 450 represents the Austrian manufacturer's top-of-the-line 450cc MX machine. Sure, there will be some similarities between the latest Huskvarnas,